Hi everyone. This is Data Science 560 and Lab 3 Part 2. First, I want to show you our team name and our all three members' name. Wait a second. Here's our team name and team members' name right here. Okay, for this lab, we tried moving average and ARIMA two algorithms and develop a mock trading environment to mock the trade. Um, First, we want to talk about the moving average algorithm. So run the Python file.
Okay, so basically this script it's gonna generate the buy and sell signal for each day's transaction for each ticker. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So we next move to the AIMA part.
Okay, so this part I used the ARIMA model to forecast the stock prices and generate the trading signals buy, sell, or hold based on our predictions. As you can see, I used the ARIMA model and using different combination of parameters based on the lowest AIC score. So we generate trading signals. It is considered a buy signal when the predict price is significantly higher than the actual price, and when it's the opposite, we consider it's sell signal. And we also calculate the two key metrics to evaluate model, the mean absolute error and root mean squared error. So as you can see, finally, we save the results, including the predictions and the trading signals for each ticker.
Yeah. So next we wanna show you our mock trading part. For algorithm, we just choose moving average because after our testing, we found that performance of moving average algorithm is better, so we just choose that. Okay. For this environment, the user can give some input like budget. So we just give it 100,000 and also the portfolio name. If the portfolio is it not exist, it will create another one. Use our fetch Python file we developed in part one. So we just use P2 and also the same for stock name. We can give some several stocks and store the information in our database belong to our portfolio. In this situation, it's just P2. So for example, just give some stocks. We also need to give the start date and end date because this part is just import the fetch data part in part one. We can see our data is just inserted successfully. So now we need to give the shares of all these stocks. We just randomly choose some shares. Um, so it's the share and the price So the total value of our portfolio is higher than our budget. It will not build this portfolio, and it will inform us to give another share. Yeah. So but for this example, the share is fine, so we do not need to worry about that. Okay, fine. So after we give all the informations, we will see the information of each transaction. So for example, for AAPL for Apple, so the first transaction is bought. So we bought 5 shares with the price and also the date of that, and it will also track the current shares of this stock. Okay, for example, well, let's say the last transaction is sold, and also AAPL and 5 shares, and with a higher price, so it makes sense. And now we can see our current shares is back to 19 because we bought 5 and sold 5 shares, so it remained the same. So it's all the same operations for all stocks in our portfolio. Okay, now we can see our final portfolio value. So we can see that we have some profit from this portfolio, and the total return is 14%. It's not bad, and also the Sharpe ratio. Okay, that's all the scripts and output and information about our Lab 3 Part 2. Thank you so much for reviewing.
Thank you.
Thank you.